Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Welcome back to Dezola Designs. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. It's really gloomy outside. It's raining again, and it's just gray and gloomy outside. But I have a fabulous yarn giveaway today. I gotta start giving away this yarn more because I need to make room because I'm getting more yarn. So you guys, this yarn giveaway today is 12 skeins. So you get all of this of the Herrschners baby yarn. The yarn is super, super beautiful and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. But first I want to talk to you a little bit about my WIPs. I do have a lot of them going, well, not a lot. I have 3 going on right now, and this is the first one. This is the textured wave stitch, and I am making a 4-panel poncho, and I'm super happy because the squares, so I'm making 4 squares, and this is what the pattern looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. The squares actually line up beautifully. I wasn't sure that it was going to, how I would, sew them together, but as you can see, they line up really, really nicely. I'm super, super excited about that. I was kind of like, oh, how am I going to put this together? But they line up. I just have to single crochet the raw edges right here. So I love, love, love this stitch. I'm using paint box yarn. Let me grab the yarn. I'm sorry, I had to walk away. This is the yarn that I'm using. So paint box yarn is super gorgeous. You get it at Love Crafts. I will have all the links down below in the description box if you would like to check it out. This color is called Spearmint Green, and it's so beautiful. The drape on this is super fun and super fantastic, so I really, really like it. Another project that I have that I just need to finish. This has kind of been on the back burner because I've been working on that poncho, but this is the Gathered Spikes stitch. Super beautiful. I'm making just a simple sweater. I have both of the panels done. All I need to do is single crochet the sides. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh, so beautiful. And single crochet the top and then just make some simple sleeves. I think I'm just going to do a double crochet on this. And for this yarn, I'm using the Ferris wheel yarn. I'm so happy because I'm in my yarn room and I have all the yarn right here. So this is the Ferris wheel yarn by Lion Brand. The color is Evergreen. I do have the tutorial for the stitch only. Again, that will be linked down below. So this is again called the Gathered Spikes stitch. The sweater tutorial is coming soon. I plan on working on it today. And then I'm using the Ferris wheel yarn in Evergreen. So really, really pretty. Another project I have going on is, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. I thought I had everything right here. This is going to be an Easter basket. I love, love, love this. So I'm using, this is going to be the bottom, and it's actually a pretty good size. I'm really, really happy with that. I'm using Lily's Sugar and Cream yarn in the color Orchid. And this, I've got the pattern off of Yarnspirations. This is what it's going to look like in the end. So yeah, I wanted to make the chicks, but I don't think I'm going to have enough time by Easter. Maybe I'll make them later in the year. But I've been wanting to make this pattern for years now, and I finally decided, you know what, I'm going to do it. So this is my 3rd WIP going on. I like to have a couple going on just because I do go live, and when I go live, I like to be working on things. So those are my WIPs for going on right now. I just thought I would share those with you because I've just been busy. So let's get to this yarn giveaway. This yarn giveaway again is 12 skeins. So you get all of this yarn of the Herrschners baby yarn. And this yarn is super, super, super soft. I put in a huge order. I think it was like 25 pounds of yarn from Herrschners last year. And this is one of the items that I ordered. This is the Herrschners house brand, and it is just, it's so soft, and the colors are super beautiful. So it is Herrschners 2-ply baby yarn. The color name is Monster. It is a 2-weight, so it's fine. It's 100% acrylic. It's a 4mm hook, and it's 220 yards. So you actually get a lot of yarn. Really, really pretty. So this one again is Monster. Whoops. Sorry about that. My phone, the battery is going out. And then this color is really, really pretty. It has the yellow, the green, and this orange is like a rust color. This color is called Sunshine. It's so beautiful, you guys. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. There's subscription boxes all over, you guys. All you do is hit that button. It's free. You hit the subscribe button, and please, please, please hit there's a bell right next to it, just so you know when I have a new video up. If you do enter my yarn giveaways, I always have a winner picked video. So if you enter my yarn giveaways, be sure to watch the winner picked video to see if your name comes up. That's how you're notified. So most of you guys are all subscribed, and I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So all you do is make sure you're subscribed. If you're not sure, I have the video down below in the description box always. Also, you have to answer a question, and this question is kind of funny because this is totally me right now. And the question is, are you a hot person or are you a cold person? Meaning like temperature wise. I know we're all hot, okay? We're all super hot and beautiful. But temperature wise, do you run hot or do you run cold? I always am hot, especially at night. I sleep with a sheet. I don't know. It's just my nature. But lately, I've been getting like super cold. So I don't know what that's about. That's unusual for me. But at night, always, I run pretty hot. So let me know down below in the comments, and you will be entered to win all of this fabulous yarn, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me, and just thank you so much for all of your awesome comments and just for being here. I hope you guys are having a happy day, and we'll talk to each other in the next video. Bye.